Good day, fellow yummies, and welcome to another episode of Sequest. Hi, I'm Sydney.
And I'm Summer.
And today we're so excited. But before we move on to what we're going to do, please hit the subscribe button, please, and
hit the bell.
Hit the bell and
like.
And hit the like as well, fellow yummies.
Share.
And share to your family and friends. So today, what are we going to do, Sama?
Churros.
Churros again, I can't hear.
Churros.
Churros. Okay, it's one of the family's favorite. All right, fellow yummies. Now we have all of the components here for the churros. On my end, we have flour, water, sugar, butter, egg.
On my end, I have cinnamon and sugar. We have cream and chocolate. I am gonna mix the cinnamon and sugar. Let me try a little bit. It tastes really good. For the chocolate sauce, I am gonna put a cream into the pan and heat it up. When the cream is ready, do not touch any of the surface because you might burn your hand. So you touch the pan, and then you put the cover like this, and then you pour the chocolate in, and then you stir. So the chocolate is all melted. Now it is ready. It should look like this.
Alright, fellow yummies, now we're ready to pipe the churros. So, I have a piping bag and Summer as well, but the difference is I have a piping tip. Summer doesn't. So if you don't have a piping tip at home, it's alright. Yeah, you can still do your churros. Or if you don't have a piping bag, you could use Ziploc.
Ooh.
So we'll split it. Right.
The carrot!
Yeah, it looks like a carrot. So fellow yummies, this is basically a good amount that you want in your piping bag. Don't overfill it because it's going to be hard for you to control. So remember, when you push it, you put pressure on top, not on the middle. Alright? We're ready!
Before I done 4.
now here's the churros. This is my version, and this is Summer's because she wanted some shape. Alright, so the final step would be to just coat it with your cinnamon sugar.
Yes.
Time is it, Summer? Food tasting! Food tasting! Food tasting! Alright, here you go. This is mine and yours, Summer. Here you go, guys. Enjoy your churros. Dunk it. Zzz. Ooh. Verdict. What's the verdict? Oh my gosh. It was really worth it. So, guys,
Yeah.
give it a try and take a picture of your creation. Post it on our page. All right. Enjoy your churros. Crunchy and soft on the inside.
Bye.
Bye.
Churros.